All right, welcome. We are working on a review numbers for Unit 3. This is problem and example like number 17. And the first thing to do is kind of look over this and see what we have going on. Definitely some questions at the bottom. And there's some chart of information here. So some of it's organized in a table, and some of it is more like on the first unit, the points that we put on to show different things that were happening. In both of these, you see more of a description on the grid for the number of days and the money Ada has. And in this one, I can't see except it says Emmett at the top. So I might run a read here, see what it's talking about. Ada and Emmett want to take a spring break trip. Their parents told them that they need to pay for their plane ticket, so they began to babysit to make money. The table below represents the amount of money Emmett has in his savings after D days. All right. So D is the number of days, and that's also what we have here. This is D. What else we got? It says the graph below shows the amount of money Ada had in her savings after D days as well. All right, so let me put this down a sec. Here we go. Okay. So remember, anytime we're using E for Emmett, E of something, E of D means we're going to look at this table, and if you're looking at A of something, you want to refer to here. So those little details are important. So part A says, for what value is the of D? So we're looking for D. Is A of D equal to E of D? Explain the meaning in the context. Answer in the context. So we're trying to figure out when they are the same. Now, we know precisely Emmett has 50, 70, 90, 100. But looking over here, these are just dots. So right now, I'm going to kind of put some marks in. This is 10. This is 40. This is 70. 100, 130. Maybe it helps. Maybe it doesn't to do this. 90. You can also do something like, hey, you want to reorganize it so it kind of looks the same. Ada for A of D. You can just make a little bit marks here, or just comparing side to side, side by side, to see what makes the most sense. So 0, when she started, had $10. 1 was 40. 2 was 70. 3 was 100. 4 is 130. 5 is 160. Another 190. There we go. So however it's best for you to compare, so you can figure out when are these two equal. So we're looking for when they are equal. Nope, nope, nope. Almost. Haha. These two are exactly the same. So we're wondering how many days that is. So D equals 4 means at 4 days of babysitting, they will have the same amount of money. All right, so those are when we're comparing them. Now the next one says determine the value of A of 3. So specifically, we only want to focus on the A, so Ada's. We didn't want to know when it's 3 days, or like an XY pair, 3, the input's 3. So for Ada, we're kind of look at the table, or if you remade it here, you can look at 3. But 3 goes up and means, oh, hey, she had $100. at 3 days, Ada has $100. Okay, and now it switches over on the next one, the letter C, looking at E, so looking at Emmett. But this time it's not 3, it's 5, so it's the same as saying 5x is what, y, or function notation, E of 5, input 5, output is what. So Emmett table here. $5 days, $150. So 150 here. So at 5, the meaning is at 5 days, Emmett has $150. So just using the information they give you to explain what the problem is telling you, the inputs and the outputs. All right, so which is bigger, E of 2? So first of all, figure out E of 2. So Emmett's table here, E of 2, I have 90. A of 2, you can go to the table. If you have it here, you can just go across there, or you can go up to the grid here. And it goes up to 70. And we know, looking at just the numbers, E of 2 is bigger, meaning at 2 days, Emmett has more money than Ada. Or you can say at 2 days, Emmett has $90, which is more than Ada has at $70. All right, thanks for checking in. Good luck on the next one. Try to do the same thing.